Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can create a t-shirt inside of Rec Room. Now, it is very important to know that you need to have a Rec Room Plus subscription if you want to actually publish this t-shirt, right? So we're going to go to the menu and we're going to our backpack and go to Clothing Customizer, as you can see in here. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to change the t-shirt color by pressing in here, basically. And in this particular case, I don't know, let's choose something that we like. Let's kind of choose some kind of green, for example, here. Okay, now by grabbing pencils in here, we can draw any pattern that we like, or a combination of them. In this case, I'm just gonna pick some orange pen and I'm gonna draw something random here, like 2025, for example, right? Or something like that. So let's do that. And by the way, this is the back of the t-shirt and this is the front of the t-shirt. So in the front of the t-shirt, I'm gonna write 2025, as you can see in here. If I made any mistake during my drawing process, what I can do is I can grab this eraser and I can just start erasing here. Okay, now we have to click on save and we have to give this a name and a description if we want to, all right? And in the permission, what we have is just me, or we can share it with anybody, basically, okay? Now, as you can see, because I don't have the Rec Room Plus membership, I'm not gonna be able to publish it, but if you do have it, you're gonna be able to publish it without a problem, okay? So this is pretty much it. Thank you very much.